Are you okay with
What's the lack of sleep? Now you make me cry.
This is going in your intro video.
Rolling. We're rolling with the schnitties. And with the schnitties, our minds go straight to chicken. Isn't that right, Mikhail?
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah. Get chicken out of your head because I'm introducing Fettayleh's beef schnitzels. I'll give you the full word. And it's already sliced for you. These packs, they're vac pack as you can see, so it keeps it fresh longer. Available at Coles and Woolworths stores. Check the link below so you know if your nearest supermarket stocks these beauties. We're gonna get started. This is nice, quick and easy. Schnitzel. Down. Open the packet. This is veal. So veal just means that it's come from a calf. It is thin, but what we're going to do is this is the therapeutic part in the kitchen. Use a mallet to bash it out a bit.
I remember the last time you were bashing something in this kitchen.
What happened? That's true.
No, you know.
Yeah, sure. Okay, just give it a nice bash. Basically what you're trying to do is you're trying to tenderize the meat a little bit more. Just use this time to think about all your worries and your frustrations. Take it out on the meat. All you're doing is creating a better meal for yourself. These guys are tenderized. Now, I'm just going to crumb, fry, and plate this deliciousness. I've got some rosemary salt here. Now, I've made my own rosemary salt. You can use any flavoring that you want. And the salt, I actually want to put a little bit in the flour, but I also want to put some through the panko breadcrumbs. And it is panko breadcrumbs that I'm using because panko, I feel, gives a nice, lighter, crunchier taste and texture to any schnitzel for that matter. And we've got our eggs there. So let's do this. I'll sprinkle some here. I always say you want good flavor in your food, so it doesn't hurt to add flavor to flours or the breadcrumbs. Okay, this part I'm gonna use gloves for. So grab your schnitzel and place it straight into the flour. Make sure that it coats very nicely and very evenly. And then you want to flip it over and do that on the other side as well. And this is the part where you want to be so delicate because before you gave it a good beating. So shake off the excess flour straight into your egg wash. And that is just literally a few eggs whisked together on each side. Shake off the excess again. And then we're going into our breadcrumbs straight in there and just get that nice and coated all over. So if you're preparing this meal for iftar, my suggestion is that you can do this well in advance and then just place the schnitzels on a tray lined with baking paper. Once you're done, if you're doing layers of it, just put baking paper in between, and once you're done, just wrap it in cling wrap and straight into the fridge until you're ready to cook it. Oil in pan, heated to a medium to high heat, not high, because what will happen is you'll burn the outside and the inside won't cook. And I'm going to finish off crumbing the rest of these. Our oil has heated, and so time to cook these babies. Okay, so you want probably about 2 minutes roughly on each side till nice and golden. Take it off, put it on a paper towel, on a plate on a paper towel. Drain the excess oil and then serve up. It's as simple as plating up with your favorite mash or puree, some roasted veggies, Place your veal or beef schnitzel on top. A nice wedge of lemon because tanginess, why not? Extra flavor. And then drizzle your favorite gravy. Just to pretty it up a bit and add a bit more flavor, I'm going to put some micro herbs. Just sprinkle that all over. Guys, who wants to go out when you can create a delicious masterpiece yourself? Enjoy. Right, Mikkel, you're up.